This is crazy. So, these 3 people out here. We're just moving for a car. They're out here. I guess doing like a little photo shoot or taking pictures, basically, whatever, for Instagram, whatever. But the wind is like mildly high. You can see how their hair's floating. Like, how do you take pictures with hair? Like hair. Oh, Big Bobby sees. Alright, look at that. You can't take a photo with your hair floating like that. Look, it's there. Everywhere, dude. No, it's funny. The reason she's looking this way is because she's facing this way. That's funny. Alright. So, we're at the, I guess, burger joint. And I'm just gonna go in and check it out, man. But yeah, I don't know if you can listen to this wind. This wind is mildly high. Huh? Oh, microphone's in there, but I don't need it. Got that tea. Coke. Okay, that's a new one. Peanut butter and bacon fry. That's interesting. A little interesting. So, some fried pickles, and I don't know what kind of sauce this is. It looks like ranch, and those pickle slices are pretty big. And she got some, what is this, honey?
Oreo milkshake.
Oreo milkshake.
Oreo cookies and cream milkshake.
Is it good? Oh man. So these pickles are not bad. But I think personally they're a little too thick for my liking, but that's just opinion. I do like them, but it's not bad. They're pretty crispy. I haven't tried the, I guess it's ranch. I'm about to try it right now. Okay, so it's like a brownish color, chunky. Let's see how this tastes. I don't know about that. That's not my tasting. That's not to my liking. It's okay, but actually, I kind of like it, to be honest. It's actually, try it.
What is it?
Try it. It's out there. A little bit more. You got no. Put a little bit more. No. Yeah. Oh. Try it. Try it, honey. Try it. It's good. It's actually good. I like it. Don't spit it out either. You don't like it? You like it? It's actually not bad to me. I think it's ketchup in there, to be honest.
It tastes like the...
Dude, I don't know. I'm gonna ask them. I feel like it's ketchup in there or something. It's like ranch with ketchup. I don't know. It's not good at first, but the aftertaste is not bad. The first tang of it is pretty bad, but afterwards it's pretty nice. So this milkshake. That is really good. That is good. I saw some more in there. Hey, ring cord. Fries, burger, same thing for her. Fries good? Are the fries good? Good? How's it going so far? It's the first time she didn't eat her fries first. She normally eats her fries first, then the burger, but she just ate the burger first. Just gonna smash this. Trying to scan the remainings. Here, use a spoon. I didn't use my knife. It looks greasy though. That's funny. Looks like you're out of poop. Looks like you can't get no more Oreos. So I sucked the rest, but all it just is collects is in the straw. Nothing comes up. She decided how to do it. What does it smell like? It smell like... It don't smell... I don't know. I'm gonna ask what this is. Because... it's not bad. But then it's like, it's not the best either. So I'm gonna ask.
There you go. Sweet tea and Coke.
What exactly is this?
It's our pickle sauce. It's like kind of like Cane's sauce, but with like more horseradish. Make it here in house.
That's
really
exactly
sure
what I'm smelling. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I know there's horseradish though.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm smelling.
Yeah.
Okay. I was like, no.
It's pretty prominent no matter how much you put it in.
Yeah.
It's really strong.
Okay. I was like, yeah, it's not bad to me, but she didn't like it. Okay.
I love it.
It's pretty good. I did like. I don't mind it. So those horseradish. That's what I'm smelling. That's interesting. Bird, it's cold out there. You're good. Oh, whoa. What is that? It's like confirmed.